Today, you can find glory in learning how to mend a hole in your pants. It's a quick and easy tutorial, and you can patch up holes without using a sewing machine. It's pretty typical for pants to get holes in the inner thigh area because that's where there's a lot of friction. So I'm going to show you how to patch those up. All you need is extra fabric that matches your pants, fusible interfacing, thread that matches the color of your pants, needle, scissors, and that's it. So let's get started. We're going to start by grabbing our scissors, and we're going to cut the spare fabric so that it's big enough that it covers the hole. Next, you're going to grab some fusible interfacing, and you're going to cut it to the same size as that spare fabric. And the interfacing always helps provide structure and rigidity to fabrics, so it'll really help stabilize the fabric and provide a base for when we do the stitching. So iron that on to the inside of the pants, and let's prepare a needle and thread. Ideally, you want some kind of dark blue or navy blue thread, depending on the color of your pants. If you have black pants, then you'll want to get black thread to match as close as possible. Honestly, any thread close to that color is going to be better than a hole. We're going to start the needle by going through the jeans and coming from the inside going out, and then we're going to make very gentle zigzags going down the hole. Your goal is to pick up as little fabric as possible, but just enough so that you can pull the hole together. Once you reach the bottom of the hole, you can do a second round of zigzag stitches upwards just to add a little bit more reinforcement. But when you're happy with it, push the needle on the inside, tie a knot, and cut off the thread. And then now's also a good time if you want to cut off the extra interfacing and spare fabric. Now that the hole's all patched up, it looks a lot better. And if you're a beginner looking for tools to start sewing, I got a video coming out real soon. It just goes over all the essentials, what to consider when you're buying your own, and what you can expect when you get them. So stay tuned and subscribe for more videos on sewing, tutorials, and DIYs. Peace.